What's going on YouTube? It's Matt here. I wanted to do a video about some of the best ways to break into medical device sales. In my opinion, as someone that has broken in, I'm currently a spine rep for Medtronic for people that are new here. Was a bone growth stimulator rep prior, so I have about maybe like 2 years medical sales experience, so I'm definitely not a veteran by any means, but I have been able to work my way up, and now I'm getting a management role in Atlanta, Georgia, and I will be working my way towards there next month. I should be moved in actually. So, I have some experience in this game here, so I'm willing to help out wherever is needed. If you can, please give a thumbs up on the video, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you can. That is the only way that this channel is going to grow, to get out to other med sales people like yourselves that have stumbled upon here. So I want to go over a couple things. Number one is going to be reaching out to people via LinkedIn. This helped me tremendously with many things, just sort of building my network, going down to people that are in my network and just trying to connect with them, message them, reach out, just kind of like build your web essentially of people that you know in the medical sales space. The people that you want to try and reach out to are going to be regional sales directors or area sales managers. Those are going to be the ones that are, doing the hiring, going to be funneling up the chain. So LinkedIn is going to be your best source for at least finding people and finding who they are and then talking to them. Now I would also, when you do message them, make sure to not ask for a position directly. Just say, my name is XYZ. Would love to help out where needed. Could I get you a coffee sometime? Something like that. If you message them and say, hey, I'm looking for a job, a lot of times that they will perceive that in like a wrong way, sort of looking for like a handout. So you don't want to do that as well. And then there's a couple dedicated websites like MedReps and Cafe Pharma that you can see different job postings in different areas. You can definitely apply on company websites as well and on websites. However, I have not seen this work for a lot of candidates that I have known, because typically, at least in my experience, whenever I've seen them open up a position, they have the candidate already in mind. Like sort of like that senior sales rep in that area has funneled along and already talked to the candidate that he wants, but the company just has to release the actual job posting for, corporate reasons. So really, if you apply at that point, it's really already too late. So you want to get to the game early, and as early as you can. So if you wait till that posting is out there, sometimes it doesn't really do you the justice, and you've kind of been underserved. And actually, another thing that I've used quite a bit is LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So that, I think it's about $100 a month last time when I was doing it, but you can essentially send a message to people who you aren't first connections with. So, if these people won't connect with you, you'll at least still be able to send them a message. They'll be able to read it, then you'll be able to get your foot in the door that way. I've done that a bunch, and I would highly recommend it if you're starting to break in, because then it just gets you to be able to build that web a little bit quicker, rather than waiting for them to answer the connection. Sometimes they don't answer the connection, and then you can't even reach out to them, and then it's just essentially a mute point. So the number one way that I have seen to break in, if you do not have experience, is by reaching out to someone who's in the business, getting them to like you, getting them to believe that you'll do a good job at the role, and then actually do the good job at the role once you get in. Because once you get in and you have experience, it becomes a lot easier. You can go to different companies, say, I have this experience, I'm looking for a change, and that's big to them because they don't have to train someone from the ground up. And if you have a solid track record already, that's amazing to them, and then you can just stay in the business. But breaking in is extremely hard, so keep at it. If you're a person that's done it for a while and has not had luck, you will have luck eventually. So without further ado, that is the end of the video. So like, comment, subscribe.